How to convert PDF to Google Docs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to ilovepdf.com. On this page, you can view and explore various tools you need to work with PDFs. Now, go to PDF to Word as shown. Tap on Select PDF File. This will open your Files app. Navigate to and select the PDF document you want to convert and tap Open at the top right. Once the file is uploaded, tap on the Convert to Word button at the bottom of the screen. Wait for the conversion to complete. Your file has been converted to an editable Word document. Then tap Download Word. Confirm the download in the pop-up that appears. Now, tap on the download icon in the bottom left as shown. As you can see, a menu with options will pop up. Select Downloads and you can find and open your new Word document from your browser's download manager. Alternatively, open the Files app and go to the Downloads folder. Once you select the PDF file, press and hold it. A menu will appear and tap on the Share icon as shown. From the menu that appears, select Docs. Simply save it to Drive and it will open in the app. Following these steps, you can easily convert a PDF to Google Docs on an iPhone.